We're going to be doing some leather cleaning today. So the more expensive the car, not only the more leather you'll get, but the better the leather will be inside the car. If you go the traditional methods, you're going to be rather ineffective at deep cleaning the leather or the vinyl. So if I went with the traditional methods, I'd spray some interior shampoo and I'd simply rub back and forth and see how much dirt comes off. That's actually quite a bit, more than I thought it would. But if you look at the material, it looks like you hardly even touched it. This is where we come into our tools, and we've got different tools. We've got a scrub brush that we can use, and you can see a lot of the dirt. That's actually because I use this on carpeting also, that we can use, and you can see already the difference that a scrub brush makes because it's actually able to get into the texture of the panel itself. And you've got various types of scrub pads. This one is a little more aggressive. Typically like a name brand of this would be a Scotch-Brite pad. This is just an off-the-shelf, truly a nylon pad that will not do damage to anything. So you've got a whole host of ways to really be effective at cleaning the texture and the dirt from within the texture. And you can see more by more and more dirt comes up. Now to really be effective, this is where you go into a heavy duty cleaner. Now for the sake of this video, I'm not going to get into what this cleaner is, other than it's the only cleaner that's going to really, in combination with aggressive techniques, it's really going to be the only thing that's really going to get this clean, like showroom clean. So I'm going to start with this brand new section of the rag, and I'm going to spray heavy duty cleaner here and really attack it pretty aggressively. See how much dirt came off on that?
Once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across